hello, my friends. It's time to say hello, hello to you, and you, and you. Hello. Hi, my name is William Anderson, and today I'm going to be showing you a fun way to make one of these little shakers. Very simple, and it's a very easy way to be able to keep a steady beat. So let's talk about what we need in order to make these shakers. You're gonna need some empty medicine bottles. Easy enough. Some colorful tape. You can use paint. You can use stickers. Use your imagination. Be creative. Have fun with it. And make the bottles look fun. And then lastly, you'll need like some rice or some beans or something like that to go inside of the bottles and to make the noise on the inside. So let's put these things together. So you're gonna get your tape or get your paint or however you're gonna be decorating. What I did was I pulled out some strips, cut them up with some scissors. Make sure that you help your students do that. And then just wrap it around, have fun with it. With the top, if you're gonna be doing paint, make sure that you let it dry first before you start putting it together. All right, so after we have our bottles decorated, we're gonna fill them up. You're gonna fill them about 1/3 of the way. You don't wanna put too much on the inside because if you put too much, you're not gonna be able to make a good sound and it's just gonna be, and that's not what we want. We want a nice clean sound, so about 1/3 of the way. After you have your rice or beans or whatever sound makers that you put inside, we're gonna put our lid on. What you can do at this point is if you want it to be permanent, you can use a glue stick or some hot glue and be able to seal this on and it will never come off again. But if you want to be able to take out whatever's inside, just put the top on, screw it on, and you have a fun little shaker. So now that we have our shaker completed, I'm just gonna show you an easy way to keep a steady beat with the shaker, like I did at the beginning of the video. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Simple enough. You can get more creative with that as you get more advanced with it. You can go faster. You can go slower. It is completely up to you. So now I'm gonna just close out with our song that I started at the beginning, but this time I'm gonna sing goodbye and I'm gonna show that steady beat. Goodbye, my friends. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye to you, and you, and you. Goodbye. Thank you.